Hello, welcome to the second video. We will see the first launch of the software. So when you start the software, or if you delete all the objects, you will see this information. If it's the first time, you click OK and you fill in all the blanks that will be proposed just after, and you will be able to create a new object. If you delete all the objects, you will have this information, and the camera, the guiding camera, the instruments will be necessary already in the software, so you will just cancel the information. So this is the first time I launch the software. I click OK, and I have to add first a camera. So you must know that all those informations will be modified if necessary. You will be able to add other cameras, instruments, guiding cameras, mount, etc., filters too, and you will be able to modify those informations. You can cancel everything, but if you click just after on the new objects button, the software won't run. There will be an error. So I propose you to first add a new camera. So you must know for a camera the name, the pixel size, and the name of the filter wheel. For example, I will take the STL. I change the field with the tab key on keyboard. 9. Internal. Okay. Name of the new instrument. For example, focal length in millimeters, focal ratio 9, the focuser internal, and is there a corrector or a reducer? I can say no. Name of the mount, I can take a Q8 for example. Add a new filter, so you can put L. Okay, so the new button is now able. Before it was unable. But first we will have to go to File, User Profile. In the user profile, you must fill your name, your first name, your pseudo, your website if you have one, like this. Okay, the monitor calibration probe. Monitor calibration probe is says X-right, for example, processing screen. like this, and I have to mention the directory where will be saved the export files. The export files is a JPEG and PDF files. Those files will be created with the forum export button on the right, and it will sum up all the informations about the objects, the imaging equipment, and all the other information we can see behind. So you will be able to use the JPEG file or PDF file with your image when you make presentation of your image on forums. So I have to determine in which directory I want to put my files. So I click here and I go and I have on my desktop export forum. You can put it in your image directory. I suggest you to put the files or to choose a directory that you don't move. Okay. Let's go to configuration. Cameras. Then there are two cameras, two types of camera, imager and guider. So imager, I have the camera I've already informed. I can modify it. I can add a new one, for example. I don't remember the pixel size on EOS. For example, I will put 6.8, and there is no filter wheel. Okay. Configuration, cameras, guider, new. I used for imaging camera an STL, so I know that there is an internal guider. I can use another camera, for example Lodestar, when I shot with the EOS. Filters, so I have already, yes, because I have already installed the software. So here we are, LRVB. You should have at your first start, if you have L filter at the beginning, you can add another, or B for my EOS CLS. Okay, instrument, guider, imaging. Okay, instrument and guider, here it is. Name of the new guiding instrument. The same. If we guide with the internal sensor of the STL, I can guide with another D66, for example. Okay. Instrument, okay. The mount, AQ8, you can let it like this. Imaging sites. So you can propose, for example, alt maintain Astro group association, the place, or if you want to specify for the forums and not for you only, new, for example, the city from New York, for example, mine, off-axis guider. If you have one, you can specify it. Moog, for example. Okay, and an adaptive optic if you have one. AOL for the STL, for example. And software acquisition, new. So the name of the software acquisition, Maxim DL. Okay. Pre-processing, Deep Sky Staker, Maxim DL, or PixInsight. You can specify the version of the software. Okay. And the software processing, new. PixInsight. Okay. Or Photoshop, for example, CS6. Okay, you can move the size. Close. So now let's check file, user profile. You can update the software, you will be sent to the internet web file. For this version, there is no automatic update, so you will be now obliged to go to my website to see if there is a new version. You can make a donation if you want. So configuration with inform all we need, help, consult the video tutorial. You will be sent directly to the web file, web page, and about. You can see that there is the number of the version, my website, my email if necessary, my name, and I thank David Lloyd Jones because he helped me in some translations and errors in English I have made. And here there are the news. It's okay. So now I'm gonna stop this video here because we have finished with the first start of the software, and let's see in the next video create a new object how to do it. So bye bye and see you later. Thank you.